What's up, guys? So today we're working on Project X. We're going to do the muffler delete here. So we're going to unbolt the muffler, and then what I am going to do on my dad's Jeep here is I'm going to add this little turn down I kind of made out of my Banks exhaust. So I had done this originally on my TJ, I added it just to kind of see what it would sound like, and it definitely tones the like the overall volume and loudness down. So we're just going to throw this on his Jeep and see what it sounds like. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I got the turn down all hooked up. Just easy bolt up right to there, and then just have the nice little turn down. Like I said before, I originally had this on my TJ, and I like the volume level without the turn down. It actually makes it a little bit quieter, which is kind of interesting, just turning it down to the ground, which is kind of interesting, but hopefully my dad likes it. And little tip for when you guys are doing the skid plate is, like I had the jack underneath there that kind of helped support it, and then obviously I got a jack on the transmission so that it doesn't all sag down. So you want to support the transmission first, and then you can take these bolts out. And then, like you saw, I sprayed some PB Blaster on the inside here. These were actually really nice. They didn't give me a problem at all, but I used a breaker bar on them to break them loose, and then used the regular socket to remove the rest of them. And then when you're lifting it back up, just make sure you have the 4 bolts underneath here. Make sure those are lined up. They kind of go through the skid plate. And then once you have that done, then you can lift up with your other jack to kind of get you into place, and then get the one side started. And then once you have one side started, then you're going to want to go to the other side and then get those in as well, and then crank them down. I had cranked this side down first and thought I could just get it up and in, but one of the holes wasn't lining up. So my advice would be to just kind of lower this down so they're kind of, all of them are kind of started, and then do the other ones. So alrighty, we're gonna back this out of the garage and fire her up. quiet in mine with the turn down. Kind of looking with the full doors up now.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, you like it?
I mean, like I said, I like the look of half doors, but functionality for me, this is good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I like it.
Little gurgles and pops. That's my favorite part.
Yeah, totally.
Sounds good. Like it's not too much.
I like it.
You got 6? Nice.
That's loud.
Yeah, drone's a little bit 6 for sure.
And tires.
Well, yeah, that's like with mine, it's like I don't even notice the exhaust because the tires are just as noisy as the exhaust is. The wind noise today is almost as loud as the exhaust though. Sounds like with the window down. So you happy with it?
Yeah,
What it sounds?
sounds great.
Good. Alrighty guys, so that's going to do it for the video of doing a little muffler delete with a turn down on Project X. So if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely give the video a thumbs up. It helps out a bunch, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.